Welcome to Lollypop Preschool's first ever virtual assembly. Let us please welcome Aisha to open the assembly.
Hi teachers and friends, welcome to our special prep assembly. Join us to entertain you with our famous performance. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the program.
Thank you, Aisha. Before we start our program, let us please bow our heads for an opening prayer led by Prabhu.
Dear God, thank you for this day. Please help us to perform well in our assembly. Thank you for the fun and learning that we always share together. Amen.
Thank you, Prabhu. Please stand up and join us as we sing our beloved anthem, Indonesia Raya. Please remain standing as Kirana leads us in rendering the Panchasila.
Pancasila, satu, ketuhanan yang Maha Esa. Dua, kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab. Tiga, persatuan Indonesia. Empat, kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan. 5. Keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia.
Let us now welcome Miss Jen and Miss Ruth, the preparatory teachers.
Good morning, parents, teachers, and students. Today is an exciting day for the prep children because they will have their special assembly. In this video, you will witness the things that we have accomplished for the past 6 weeks. There are lots of fun and various activities that the children had been doing during online class. One of these was learning the character quality attentiveness.
They will also showcase their talents by dancing to the Five Senses song. Five Senses is one of the topics that the children are learning at present. For their last performance, the children will render a pianica ensemble entitled Lavender. Undoubtedly, nothing can stop our students from exploring and discovering their different talents even during this time. Without further ado, we proudly present Prep's Virtual Assembly.
When there's someone else to sing, introduction, I will learn to ask the questions that will help me understand. Commitments are important steps to guard us from disaster. And just to show we know them well, let's make them even faster.
When I use my eyes, I can see the sunshine. When I use my eyes, I can see the sunshine. When I use my eyes, I can see the blue sky. When I use my eyes, I can see the blue sky.
When I use my ears, I can hear the birdies. When I use my ears, I can hear the birdies. When I use my ears, I can hear the wind chimes. When I use my ears, I can hear the wind chimes. When I use my nose, I can smell the flowers. When I use my nose, I can smell the flowers. When I use my nose, I can smell the muffins. When I use my nose, I can smell the muffins. When I use my mouth, I can taste bananas. When I use my mouth, I can taste bananas. When I use my mouth, I can taste a lemon. When I use my mouth, I can taste a lemon. When I use my hands, I can touch my teddy. When I use my hands, I can touch my teddy. When I use my hands, I can touch the bubbles. When I use my hands, I can touch the bubbles.
That was a wonderful performance, children. To end our program today, let us welcome Jasmine to give us her closing message.
Thank you for watching our program. We would like to thank our teachers and our parents who help us make this program a successful one. See you again for our next event.